Printing frequently, perhaps once or twice a week, is one of the best ways to maintain your printer's overall printhead health. It is suggested you refill your cartridge as soon as you see the print quality begin to fade. Don't wait until the last color runs dry. Continuing to print with a cartridge that is running dry can result in air bubbles being ingested into the printhead and will ultimately lead to poor image quality. You may continue to print until print quality begins to fade. Identify the respective color by running a self-test or print quality report.